My name is Fatma. Now, some of you may recognize me as I may have worked with you last term. Now, today we are going to be working on sounds, but one particular sound. Shall we have a look at what sound that might be? It's this sound. I wonder what sound this makes. If you don't know, that's okay. Let's have a look at our Fingers Phonics Big Book to help us. Wow! So, we have a boy who takes his dog for a walk in the country. The dog is frightened by something in the grass and starts to bark. I wonder what this is. What animal do you think this is? Did I hear someone say snake? Yes, this is a snake. Now, I wonder what sound snakes make. What was that? Oh, do they make the sound? That's correct. They do. They make the sound. Say it with me. Let's do it one more time. Excellent. Now, let's use actions as well. So get your hand like this, and we're going to wee like a snake. Okay? And as we're doing that, we're going to say the sound. Watch me first. Let's do it one more time, all together. And like this, and we're going to say the sound. Time. It makes the sound, just like the word snake and the word sun or sand or in nest or in spots. The snake has many spots. So our sound makes the sound. Let's say it one more time, nice and loud. Excellent. Now, have a look around your house or your garden and see if you can find any objects that begin with the sound. Now, off you go and have fun.